Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics, and this is just a beautiful 1970 Mercedes-Benz W113 280SL. And in this video, I'm going to take you around this beautiful old Mercedes. I'm going to take you underneath the car. But first, buckle up, because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. Wow, this car is driving great. My shirt's blowing up. Anyway, just shot up to 60 miles an hour right away, no issues at all. And it's running so smoothly, it drives straight. The suspension feels great, the braking is just great to drive. And we're humming along. Everything in the car is working great. It looks like the clock's working. It's got a replacement stereo, though we have the original. It's in the trunk. It has new vent knobs on here, which these are very vulnerable, so it's nice when those have been replaced. We have all working gauges, lights, horn, just in nice shape. The air conditioning is turning on. It's blowing, but it's not blowing cold, so it may need a charge, and we'll definitely take a look at that. It's just overall, it's just a great driving car, and it's such a beautiful car, and it's really mostly an original car other than this repaint. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, give me a call. My number is down there in the description below. If you're looking at this on a third-party site, you're going to want to go over to my website, leftcoastclassics.com. Right here, left, opposite of right, not my politics, just my location. There's a lot more content on my website that I just can't get onto these third-party sites. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to check us out on all the social media sites. All those links are on my website as well. And 3 episodes so far of Wheeler Dealers. We did a 57 Ford Thunderbird back in the Ed China days. This one right here. We did a Lancia Fulvia with Mike, I think in 2018. And then in 2020, we did a really great, unusual episode. And that was for a 1964 Triumph TR4. So check all those out on Motor Trend, Wheeler Dealers. And again, if you have any questions, give me a call anytime and get in touch. And thanks for checking out this beautiful 280SL. All right, so heading underneath the 280, and we just have great floors, great inner rockers, no rust, no rot. Just in nice shape down here, a little dirty. Could use a little detailing, but it's just very nice and original. And most importantly, no rot, no rust. Just a good old original California car. Right, so I like to go around the lower part of the car with a magnet. Doors, of course, are alloy, so we can't do that. So it's grabbing everywhere. No hesitation. All right, let's go around to the other side. Just sticking great. We've got a scrape under here. It's got a little surface rust on it, but it's not rot. It's just got scraped, so that could get kind of addressed. But other than that, it's gorgeous. It's super, super straight.